So yesterday I was scrolling through my emails and I found this amazing recipe, what looks like an amazing recipe to me, called a Hummingbird Bundt cake. I'd never heard of a hummingbird cake before, have you? So I had to look up some information about this. What I found was, I'm going to share this with you real quickly, is that a hummingbird cake is a banana pineapple spice cake with a sweet cream cheese frosting originating in Jamaica and a popular dessert in the United States since the 1970s. They say it was created in Jamaica and named after Jamaica's national bird, the scissors tail hummingbird. There are over 320 species of hummingbirds in the world, but only one, the scissors tail hummingbird, is only found in Jamaica. Isn't that amazing? In 1968, the Jamaica Tourist Board exported the recipe for the hummingbird cake along with other local Jamaican recipes that highlight Jamaican tropical fruits. And they sent it in media kits to the USA. The marketing was aimed at American consumers to create interest in visiting the island. Isn't that amazing? So bananas, right here, crushed pineapple, toasted pecans, a little spice, and a sweet cream cheese frosting are the stars of this super plush cake with tons of textures and flavors. That's what we're going to make today, and I think we're all going to love it. Yes, we toss some ingredients together, get this bad boy in the oven, and get this cake on the bake. We're going to start off with a large bowl, whisking together the flour, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, allspice, and salt together. It may sound like a lot of ingredients, and I know some folks doing recipes don't like a lot of ingredients, but really it's quite simple. There's the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients. In the pan it goes and into the oven. So what we have here is 3 cups of flour. We're going to start off with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, which I've already put both of those into this bowl here. We have a ½ teaspoon of allspice and 1½ teaspoons of ground cinnamon, a ½ teaspoon of salt, and let's get this going. A little whisking action, get the dry ingredients all mixed together. I think this is going to be just amazing. The smells in here from the cinnamon and allspice, the bananas and the pineapple just fills the room. Large bowl dry ingredients, medium bowl wet ingredients, 3 large eggs, 3/4 cup of canola oil, 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice from a fresh pineapple, just cut today. We have a ½ cup or 120 grams of sour cream. In a medium bowl, whisk the eggs, oil, pineapple juice, sour cream together until combined. We have 1 1/4 cups or 250 grams of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup or 50 grams of packed light or dark brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, 1 and 2. Whisk until combined. So now we want to whisk or fold in the banana, pineapple, and 1 cup of the pecans. We have 1 cup or 230 grams of mashed banana, ripe bananas I might add. To that we're also going to add 1 cup or 225 grams of chopped pineapple. And we want to add 1 cup or 130 grams of our lightly toasted pecans. All the spices, the bananas, the pineapple, this is all smelling so good. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Fold with a silicone spatula until combined. There we have it. That's good. spoon, pour the batter into the prepared bundt pan. Voila! 1 each prepared bundt pan. Let's see if we can get it in the pan and not in the hole in the middle or all over the bench. I think we can do this. Here we go. And there is our beautiful batter. Bake for 55 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the cake comes out clean. Into the oven we go. All right. Everything's gonna be all right. Everything's gonna be all right. Yeah. So now, while our cake is in the oven, let's make the cream cheese icing. In a large bowl, using a stand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment, beat the cream cheese and butter together on medium-high speed until smooth. About 2 minutes. And there goes the cream cheese. Here comes the butter. Thank you, Cabot Creamy Cooperative of Cabot, Vermont. Oh, that is smooth. Now we're going to add in 1 cup or 120 grams of confection sugar, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons or about 30 milliliters of warm milk. Beat on low speed for 30 seconds, then increase to high speed and beat for 2 minutes more until completely combined and smooth. Oh yeah. Okay, here's that moment of truth. Voila! Well, all right then. This is an amazing cake. I'm so glad you folks have come along on a ride with me today. I can't wait to dig into this. As you can see, maybe I've already cut a little piece of it out because I couldn't wait. But now let me just show you what's going on. Oh my gosh. Pineapple, banana. Can you imagine? Oh, it's so yummy. And it's a little messy because I got pecans coming out every which way. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Look at this. I'm in love. I'm in love. Oh. Oh. This is amazing. Thank you to Jamaica, the hummingbird cake. They also called it the Dr. Bird cake. Oh, the pineapple, the banana, cinnamon, allspice, and let's not forget cream cheese frosting. You got to try this for yourself. This is really just amazing. Stay tuned for the next video. Click the like if you like this, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.